Hi, I'm Shojib. I'll share you how to use SidorVPN reseller panel. So you need first log in your SidorVPN panel. So you need open your browser like us a Chrome browser. You need SidorVPN reseller panel URL. This is SidorVPN user reseller panel URL. You need type your reseller user and password. Already have remember on my browser my reseller user and password. Just click sign in button. Already open my reseller panel. This is very easy panel. Just if you need see your receive voucher, just click report option and click receive voucher menu. Just show all receive voucher and date, how many voucher, and assign date where you receive this voucher, like this 115 in etc time. Okay, now I'll share you how to active user and password. Okay, this is very easy. You don't need make user and password. I will give you user and password and voucher code on your panel. Just you need active user and password from my panel. Okay, just you need click quick apply button, quick apply menu. Just show this form. Just you need select any user, like a show new user. Okay, MM3997 any etc user. Just and select this user and for voucher code. Have many voucher, have 30 days voucher and have 3 days voucher. I will share you 30 days or 3 days any voucher. I will share you 3 days. 3 days voucher is demo voucher, test voucher. So I will share you test voucher. Just click any voucher. This is 3 days voucher validity. When you apply this voucher, so your validity is 3 days. Just apply now. Voucher apply successfully. Already share you user and password on your user. Just click copy button. Just complete. When you need send any Facebook ID or WhatsApp, just paste on WhatsApp. Okay, how to make reseller from your panel? Just you need manage reseller option. I have no reseller on this in this moment. Just how I create a reseller. Just I need add reseller option. Just click add reseller. Insert reseller name like as test test1, password test1, email address her email address, phone number her phone number. Okay, just save. Already create reseller. Already create reseller. When you need transfer voucher for her account, just you need go voucher transfer option. Priority, how many days your voucher transfer you need? 30 days, 7 days, 1 days. Just I'll share you 30 days voucher. How many voucher you have? Total 8 voucher. You can send, I think I will share 2 voucher. Reseller name test1. Okay, If I need to insert any comment, I will insert comment. Just send voucher option, click send voucher. Already send voucher, and on this account just I will transfer user. Just click user transfer option. How many user I will share? 2 user. Reseller name test 1. Transfer user, click transfer user. Already successfully transfer user. This is my panel. This is very easy. You don't need create user and password. I will make user and password, and just you can, you want to need manage. Just I want to see transfer report. Just transfer voucher report. Assign to test 1, 30 days validity, total 2 voucher. Okay, if you have any problem, just comment my video and subscribe my channel and give me best review on my apps. Thank you everybody.